Nutritionists claim that the recipe that we will reveal today is the healthiest and most delicious one you can ever have. This is due to the fact that it is abundant in vitamins and minerals, which will have a beneficial effect on your entire body system. It will balance the metabolic function and will leave your skin and hair in a perfect and rejuvenated condition. Yet, its most prominent effect can be regarded as the detoxified body and the cleansed bowels. Namely, it will help you forget all kinds of digestive issues, lazy bowels, or constipation, and it will also positively affect the weight loss process. This breakfast can help you lose excess weight. It will burn calories and fat. You will finally have the long-desired flat tummy as well. A month consumption of this amazing healthy breakfast will result in significant weight loss, from 3 to 11 pounds. Healthiest breakfast recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of milled flaxseed, 1 cup, 250 milliliters of organic kefir or low-fat yogurt, 5 to 7 fleshy plums, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, half banana. Method of preparation. In a bowl, mix the cocoa, oatmeal, and flaxseed, pour the kefir over them and whisk. In another bowl, add the plums and add 100 milliliters of boiling water. You need to cover them and leave them for 10 minutes. Then, cut them into pieces and add them to the other bowl. Add the half banana along with the whole mixture and blend until you get a creamy mixture. Keep it refrigerated. Use. The breakfast should be prepared the previous night and eaten in the morning. In just 1 week, you will notice remarkable results. Some of you may experience an unpleasant feeling in the stomach the first day, but it will not happen again afterwards.